Good jump. Today we got the Nike Air Precisions to unbox. I kind of repackaged them wrong. So yeah, there you go. It's a basketball shoe. Looks very nice. This is not going to be a professional review or anything, it's just unboxing because I know nothing about reviewing shoes. Here's the other one, and I am going to give y'all a quick on feet. It's the left one. There you go. So yeah, these are the Nike Air Precisions, and it's a good feeling shoe. Very light. I like it. It's easy to. It's just a good shoe. Yeah. Very light, very comfortable. I don't know much about reviewing shoes, so that's why I only do unboxings and on feet. So there you go. Nike Air Precisions. Hope you enjoyed. I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye. Good jump. Today we got the Nike Air Precision.